everybody! Today's dot-to-dot drawing video is a party penguin. So make sure to go in the description below to get your template and let's get drawing. So after you've printed out your template and then you get your marker, we're going to start at number 1 up here. And I'm going to get my ruler because from number 1 to number 2 is a nice straight line. Now 2 to 3, you're curving outwards just a little bit, like that. And now we're going to do a lot of zigzagging. So from 3 to 4, curving outwards like that, and then into 5, out to 6, into 7, out to 8, into 9, and now curving from 9 to 10, through and past to 12, in, like that. Now 12 to 13, I'm gonna curve outwards just a little bit. That's the chin of the penguin. And just like this side right here, inwards a bit, outwards through 15 and all the way to 16. And now we're gonna zigzag again. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now here we're going to curve all the way to 24. And I'm going to just work backwards because for me it's easier to pull my pen than to push it. But you can do it the other way if you like. And then I'm going to take my ruler again, because now it's another straight line to 25. And right here, what I'm going to do now is go to 2, and I'm going to connect to 24 by doing a curve, because this is here is the party hat of our penguin. There. And now up here, I'm going to draw a pom-pom, just so we can finish off the head. And there we go. Now we're going to go back to 10, and we're going to start here and connect to 26. But here what I want you to do is, instead of stopping, I want you to keep on going past 26, and we're going to weave in and out a little bit because this is going to be the wing of the penguin, and we're going to do it all at once right now, okay? So just take it nice and slow. And then curve up. Now 26, curving outwards and inwards to 27, and that's where we stop again. Now back starting at 27. Starting at 27, we're going to curve up and down to 29, into 30, and outwards to 31. Curve a little bit inward to 32, out to 33, and into 34 like this. See, what's happening is we're making the foot of the penguin. Now what we're going to do is I want you to kind of try to make this part of the toe over here as well. So what that means is we're going to continue the line from 27, and we're going to go up, out, in a little bit, and connect the heel of the penguin back to number 34. It's a little bit tricky, but you can do it. I know you can do it. Now don't worry, this one's easy. 34 to 35, nice gentle curve. Now all we have to do is the same thing on this side. So this is going to be the foot, and here's going to be the other wing. So curving outwards, 36, 37, in a little bit, 38, outwards to make one toe to 39, inward to 40, out to 41, 42, and then what you can do if you want to do the foot now, keep on going, try to make that second foot, and then connect the heel back to 35. Like I said, it's a little tricky, but you can do it. Now 42 to 43. Nice curve. And again, we're going to do this wings. So I'm going to go backwards here. From 15 is where I'm going to start. Curving outwards through 43, curving in, down a little bit, around, almost connecting to the other wing, up, and same thing as the other one, inwards and up and stop, right about there. Now we've done the outline of our penguin. We actually did a few of the details, but we're going to finish on other details of the body, and we're going to do the face right now. So right here, somewhere right around here, the toe and the wing, you're going to just draw a curve here, and we're going to draw another curve way down here at the bum. Now we're going to work on the penguin's cheeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a line kind of diagonal to number 3. I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to do a curve to number 11. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side from number 22. I'm going to take an imaginary diagonal line, start about here, and connect to 14. And from that line that we've made, I'm going to do the eyes. Curve upwards and around in an oval shape. Keep on going a little bit, upwards like this. Now the same thing on this side. Because whatever we do on one side, we have to do on the other. There. Now from this point that we just stopped at, I'm going to make the bottom of the beak. There. And now to create the mouth, curving downwards and curving upwards. Now let's finish off the eyes. So we're going to take this line that we had just done where we stopped up just around 3 and 22, and we're going to skip a little bit but keep on going with that idea of that line. Like that. We're drawing a few ovals, and then finally the highlight of the eye in the middle. And right here, I'm adding an eyelid. And now we do the same thing for the other eye. I'm going to add stripes to the party hat because they're the easiest to draw, but you can go ahead and do circles or stars if you like. I'm using a dark gray to color the base of the penguin, but I'm going to have even darker gray, not black, to do shadows later. Pick a nice blue for your penguin's eyes. I'm leaving parts of the penguin white on purpose because I'm going to be doing shadows in those spots later on. Now this penguin could be celebrating many different things. It could be a birthday penguin, it could be a graduation penguin, and maybe even a New Year's penguin. Now I'm adding shadows to the body of the penguin with my darkest gray marker. My light gray marker, I'm using it on the white parts only, and my dark yellow is for shadows on the beak and the feet. If you like drawing the penguin with me, make sure that you hit the like button on this video. And don't forget to go to my channel and subscribe, that way you won't miss any new dot-to-dot, connect-the-dot drawing videos. Now with a dark green and a dark purple, I draw shadows on the hat, and then I get my Sharpie out again because I'm going to draw eyelashes on my penguin. The final touch, I'm adding confetti around my penguin by drawing a bunch of different squares, because a party is more fun with confetti. That's the end, guys. Thanks for drawing with me, and we will see you next time in the next one. Bye-bye!